Many of you guys requested for a nighttime skincare routine after I uploaded my morning skincare one, so here you go. Today I chemically exfoliated my face because I felt like I am going to get my periods in the next couple of days. So I obviously double cleansed first. I used these two particular products for double cleansing. This is the Plum's cleansing balm and this is the Rice Water Bright face wash from the face shop. For chemical peel, I use this Deconstruct exfoliating serum. This is a really nice gentle peel. And for my actual nighttime skincare routine, I'm starting off with this particular serum from Misha. This is my absolute favorite serum, and especially during the winter time, this is a savior because it packs down a lot of skin barrier friendly ingredients, including obviously bifidaformant lysate, which is great for anti-aging. I take about like a pea-size amount, which is like 7 to 8 drops, and I just pat it down to my skin. This just instantly calms my skin down. And you obviously need calming products after a chemical peel. By the way, my acne is doing a lot better and I'm getting a lot of active breakouts. I don't know why. Still, I'm under a lot of stress after I moved, so maybe that is the reason why I'm getting a lot of acne. Then I go ahead with another serum. You have seen this one in my morning skincare routine as well. This is Ordinary's Marine Hyaluronics. I take about 2 drops of it, rub it between my fingers, and I apply this on my under eyes. This is such a savior, especially for someone who has crow's feet. This is a really nice addition. Moisturizer, I'm gonna use this Put Simply's Water Dam Moisturizer. This is a great moisturizer. Not only it has all the barrier friendly ingredient, but I believe it has cica extract, niacinamide, is all the things that I need after a good chemical exfoliation. So I just apply this. Currently it's around like 7 to 7:30 p.m. This is the time when I take my usual showers, and especially when I'm taking a long one, when I'm doing my body exfoliation, hair care. So I do my nighttime skincare routine around this time, and before going to sleep I apply a facial oil or another layer of moisturizer. So yeah, this moisturizer is a dewy moisturizer. As soon as I applied it, you can see this glow. Oh my god, this is so nice. My skin is prepped. Now time for some eye cream. This is the Defender Multi-Peptide Retinol Night Cream. This is a normal night cream, but mostly I use this under my eyes. It has retinol. It's in a nice comfortable concentration that I can easily put it around my eyes. My retinol based face cream, which are much cheaper than your normal eye cream, and you can just layer it on and just moisturizes. And obviously before putting on that night cream, layer a good hydrating serum. That's the key for eye care. My lip balms or my lip care, I use these two products. The combination is brilliant. First one is from Minimalist. This is the L-ascorbic acid lip treatment balm. This has L-ascorbic acid or vitamin C. This is great for if you have genetic pigmentation or lip pigmentation like I have. This is a great option. I only tend to focus it on this part of my lips where it's getting pigmented, and this is just a genetic thing. You can't really do anything about it. All you can do is treatment and apply SPF to your lip balms, and it has a little bit of warming sensation when you apply. That is something that I get with any kind of ascorbic acid. This itself is not that hydrating, so I tend to apply this particular gloss bomb from Dot & Key. This is a great lip balm. It also comes with a nice pink tint. Now that is basically my nighttime routine. Because I chemically exfoliated my skin, I am going to apply a little bit of Cica gel. This particular one is from Dot & Key. This is a Cica Calming Night Gel, and I just apply it in my neck area. Now my neck area is really sensitive, and this just calms my skin. Hey guys, this was my nighttime skincare routine. Let me know if you enjoy these kind of random routines. I am going to share more of these. Make sure to comment your nighttime skincare routine in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content. Share this video to any of your friends. And lastly, subscribe for more such content. So bye bye and take care.